be sleeping, darling, likely dreaming off the pain. I hope you'll hear me in the street lights humming, softly breathing out your name. I know that even with the seam stitched tightly, darling, scars will remain. I say we scrape them from each other,